Hello, I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We share simple health advice that can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60. After the age of 60, many people notice that their legs feel weaker. Climbing stairs becomes harder. Carrying groceries takes more effort, and getting out of a chair is not as easy as it once was. This happens because we naturally lose muscle as we age, a condition called sarcopenia. Many people think they need expensive protein powders to stay strong, but that is not always true. One simple and affordable food can help support healthy muscles just as well. That food is lentils. Lentils are packed with plant protein, iron, folate, fiber, and other important nutrients that help your body build and protect muscle. They also provide slow, steady energy, which helps keep your muscles working throughout the day. Unlike many protein powders, lentils are real food that also contains vitamins and minerals your body needs for better health. Studies suggest that older adults who regularly eat protein, rich foods like lentils, may have an easier time maintaining muscle strength and staying active. The protein in lentils gives your muscles the building blocks they need to repair themselves, while the iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles so they can work better and feel less tired. Preparing lentils is simple. Rinse them well, then cook them in water or low-sodium broth until they are soft. You can add onions, garlic, tomatoes, carrots, spinach, or your favorite vegetables for extra nutrition. Lentils can be enjoyed as soup, added to salads, mixed with rice, or served as a side dish with your favorite meal. For many older adults, lunchtime is one of the best times to enjoy lentils, because your body can use the protein to repair muscles after your morning activities. Eating lentils several times each week can help you reach your daily protein needs without spending money on costly supplements. Lentils also contain fiber that supports healthy digestion and helps keep your blood sugar steady. This means you have more stable energy instead of feeling tired after meals. They are naturally low in fat, easy to cook, and one of the most affordable healthy foods you can buy. Remember, building muscle after 60 is not about finding the most expensive supplement. It is about giving your body the right nutrients every day. Combined with regular walking, simple strength exercises, and enough protein, lentils can become an important part of staying strong, active, and independent. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and I will see you in the next video.